To create a trading password on Kucoin, start by logging into your account and navigating to the Account Settings page. Click on the Security tab and select Trading Password from the drop-down menu. Next, click on the Create Trading Password button and enter a strong and unique password that meets the required criteria, including a minimum of 8 characters, at least 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 number. It is essential to choose a password that is not easily guessable and is different from your login password. After entering your new trading password, you will be prompted to confirm it by re-entering the same password in the Confirm Password field. Make sure to double-check your password for any typos or errors before proceeding. Once you have confirmed your trading password, you will receive a confirmation email from Kucoin to verify the creation of your new trading password. This is an additional security measure to ensure that only authorized users can create or modify their trading passwords. Best practices for creating a strong trading password include using a combination of characters, numbers, and special characters, avoiding easily guessable information such as your name or birth date, and changing your password regularly to minimize the risk of unauthorized access. It is also essential to keep your trading password confidential and not share it with anyone, as it grants access to your trading activities and account balance. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a secure trading password on Kucoin and protect your account from potential security threats. After creating your trading password, you will be required to enter it whenever you want to perform trading activities, such as buying or selling cryptocurrencies, to add an extra layer of security to your transactions. This provides an additional level of protection against unauthorized access and ensures that your account remains secure.